Hi guys, welcome to Becodewala. In this video, I am going to show you how to make a loading animation like this. So to make this loading animation like this, we are going to use HTML and CSS. So if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe us. So come to our VS Code. Here is my HTML file and here is my CSS file. So in HTML file I have written the basic structure of the HTML, and in this I have taken the title loading CSS. After that, in body tag I have taken a div with class load, and in this div I have taken three divs. You can see here I have taken three divs in this div class load. So in these three divs I have taken class load 1, load 2 and load 3. So the loading animation class I have taken here. So after writing this much of HTML code, come to our CSS file. So in our CSS file here, for the whole page I have taken box sizing border box. So after that I have taken in body background color code. You can see the background color. So after that I have taken the class load. In this class load I have taken the display flex, position absolute and bottom 50%, left 50%. After writing this class, we are going to take three classes, load 1, load 2 and load 3. You can see here our three classes, load 1, load 2 and load 3. So in these three classes I have taken position, relative, height 20 pixel, width 20 pixel, border radius 50% and a background color. See, I can show you my background color. So after that I've taken margin 0 from top and bottom and 5 pixel from right and left. I've taken animation name load, animation duration 0.6 second and animation iteration count infinite. After that I've taken animation direction alternate. The direction should be alternate and it will be infinite and it will be 4.6 second, and animation name is load. So after this again we have target our load 2 class. So why we are using in load 2 class animation delay 0.2 second? Because I can show you in my web page. See, one this one circle loading animation is coming before this second one. It has 0.2 second delay while loading this animation. So for that we have taken that it should show 0.2 second delay animation, and after that in load 3 class have taken 0.4 second delay. After that I have taken in keyframes load animation. You can see here load name animation. So to opacity I have taken 0.2 and transform, in transform I have taken translate y minus 20 pixel. I can show you it's coming in y direction minus 20 pixel up and down. So like that, after writing this much of code, you will get a loading animation like this. So hope you guys like the video, subscribe the channel, and don't forget to share with your friends. So thanks for watching. We'll meet in next video.